When it comes to starting a digital product business, it should not be taking you weeks or months or years to get your digital product up and launched. You can literally have a digital product launched in 24 hours. And today I want to explain to you step by step of what to do and how to do it so that you can go ahead and start generating income just as I am doing online. I have literally made almost $12,000 in the last 5 months from doing this method that I'm going to introduce to you today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video, how to launch your digital products in 24 hours. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Tiara, and on this channel I teach you guys how to use your gifts, talents, passions, education, like anything that you have knowledge or experience in, and turn it into a digital product to give you more income so that you can live a life that you desire to live. So today, you guys, I want to break down step by step of what you can do in order for you to get your first digital product launched in 24 hours or less. When I tell you guys 24 hours, I'm not putting any exaggeration on this. I'm telling you exactly what I did and how I was able to get my digital product business up and launched in little than 24 hours so I can start generating income. So when it comes to a digital product, just in case you don't know, a digital product is anything that you can sell digitally. That's going to be an ebook, a course, a template, a guide, an audio file, like anything that you can create one time and resell it online digitally over and over and over again. So it's different from a physical product because you don't have to ship anything. You're literally putting it onto a store, as in Stand Store, Gumroad, PayHip, Samcart, any of those, and there's so many more, and you're selling it over and over and over again. So when it comes to getting your digital product launched in 24 hours or less, the first thing you want to do is choose a niche that you want to go into. A niche is going to be any kind of topic that you want to talk about over and over and over again every single day. I always say start with something that you are passionate about, something that you have experience in, something that you can talk about every single day and not get tired of talking about it. Once you know the niche, you need to figure out who your target audience is going to be. For me, I target people who want to make money online because that is my niche. I like to talk to people who want to do better, have a better life, and not have to work a 9-to-5 job every single day. I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job back in 2017, so now I'm very passionate about helping people to be able to take their gifts, their talents, their passion, and turn it into digital income. So once you know who you want to talk to, once you know what it is you want to talk about, you need a digital product to sell. So I will always tell people to start with a PLR digital product. A PLR digital product is a private label right product. That means that you're able to take something that you purchase that gives you the right to resell it as your own. You change the cover, you change the pages, you add to it, take away from it. You literally turn it into what it is that you want it to be, and you put your name on it and you resell it to your audience. So when it comes to a PLR digital product, you guys, this is how you are going to get launched in 24 hours. Now, when it comes to selling digital products, I don't want you to overthink it. I don't want you to say, okay, if this is something that people are reselling, how can I make income from it in my niche? What you have to do is take that PLR digital product that you purchase in your specific industry and you want to add to it. So you can use ChatGPT and you can add to whatever ebook, whatever course, whatever it is that you purchase. Most PLR products come in like ebooks, PDF files, or even courses, but the easiest method is to get a ebook or to get guides or templates that you can put more into it so that it can be more in your specific niche. Now, when it comes to finding the right PLR products, if you need a PLR product, you can literally purchase my mini course that's going to help you to get up and launched in 24 hours. This mini course gives you the step-by-step blueprint of what I did in order for me to hit my first 10K, and I'm also giving you guys a PLR vault of different PLR products that you can choose to go ahead and get up and launched with. Now, with that PLR vault, there are tons and tons and tons of things that you can choose from in different niches, and each week I am uploading more into it so that it does not run out of content. So no matter what industry you want to go into, I'm trying to make sure that I have something uploaded within this vault so you can choose from. But you guys, if you purchase a PLR product, what you have to make sure is you add to it. So you can either purchase a PLR product that gives you multiple PLR products to bundle up together so that you can create it to make it different from someone else who may have that same PLR. Or what you can do is use Canva and ChatGPT in order for you to make it look different and make it fit your brand. So you want to ask ChatGPT to help you to add to this ebook, whatever the name of it is, whatever it's about. You tell ChatGPT so that ChatGPT can literally help you to add to it, take away from it, whatever it is that you want to do with it. So once you have added to it, taken away from it, you want to put that PDF file into Canva, and you want to change the cover photo. You want to make sure that you make it to fit your brand. You add your name to it, and you can add, designs or whatever inside of the Canva templates if you want to. Now, if you want to even go a step further, what you can do is, instead of selling it as a regular PDF file, you can drop it into Canva and you can create a doc slide. So on Canva, you can create it into a slide, and on that slide, you can do a voiceover where you're not even showing your face, but you're breaking down each slide step by step of what it is that PDF file is talking about. So, just say for instance, if you're in the fitness industry and it's teaching them how to lose weight in 20 days or whatever, you can go and you can create a voiceover on those templates where you're able to get this done in literally 24 hours or less. When you guys think about selling digital products, you have to stop overthinking the timing that it's going to take you, because the more you think about it, the longer it's going to take you. You want to go ahead and get launched with a PLR digital product because you want to see what it is your audience needs, what it is that they want, what it is that you can help them with. When it comes to selling digital products, you will make more money by being the solution to a problem. So you need to figure out what it is that your specific niche, your specific target audience, what they are missing, and how you can create a solution to that problem. But the best thing about PLR products is you can get up and launched in 24 hours. But the good thing about it is that means that you're able to start making sales without having to put so much work and blood, sweat, and tears into something that you're creating, taking months to create. But you can go ahead and start seeing what questions, what problems, what it is that your audience has, so that you can then create your own course, your own ebook, your own PDF file, whatever it is that you decide to create in the future. So that way you can be more in detail and you can make sure that you're including everything that your audience has been asking you. So once you have that digital product, however you create it with the steps that I just gave you guys, the only thing you need to do is put that PDF file or that ebook or that course into your website, and you can use something as in Stand Store. Stand Store will give you 14 days free to get started to see if you like it. I love Stand Store. That is who I currently use now. It is very beginner friendly, and once your 14 days is up, you can then get a plan for $29. You don't have to get the pro plan. You can literally get up and launch, use that 14-day free method, but then you can use the $29 plan so that you can continue to make sales. Now, if you're saying you don't have $29 to spend on a website every single month, then you can check out Gumroad, you can check out PayHip. These are both free services for you to use and get up and launch. So I want you guys to understand these are the only steps that you need in order for you to get launched in 24 hours. Stop overthinking this stuff. Stop making it overcomplicated and just get started, because the longer you procrastinate, the longer you try to make it to be the best course, be the best ebook, you will never get launched. You are missing out on tons of money by just not launching. So get started, get launched, and the only way you will be able to figure out what it is that your target audience need is by you posting the content, is by you putting the digital product out there, is by you promoting it on a daily basis to make sure that people see what it is that you have to offer. If they don't see what it is that you have to offer, if you never put that digital product out there, then they will never be able to know who you are or what it is that you can help them with. So you just have to get out there and you have to try. Once you try, once you start putting content out there, once you start making sales with your digital product, you will get to see how you can help within that industry. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know what digital product business you are getting ready to launch, what industry you are targeting, and I cannot wait to see what happens with your digital product business. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.